In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a Shopify Coming Soon page. Setting up a Coming Soon page can sometimes act as a teaser for your upcoming store, creating anticipation and excitement among prospective customers. So, let's get started. Firstly, you need to access your Shopify admin. Look towards the left-hand sidebar, and you will find an option titled Online Store. Give that a click. Once there, you are going to want to choose the Preferences option. This will provide you with a range of various settings that you can tweak and adjust to customize your store. Next, look for a section titled Store Access, which is where we will find the option we need. Within it, you'll see Password Protection. Now, click on that. The subsequent page will present you with a field labeled Password. In this field, you will need to enter your chosen password. Remember, this is the password you will share with the people you grant access to your forthcoming store, so make sure it is something secure, yet shareable. I will now mention an optional step. You will find a section called Message to Your Visitors. In this field, you can leave a message for anyone who lands on your Coming Soon page. This could be a brief explanation about what your store sells, or a catchy slogan, or just a friendly greeting to your potential buyers. After all these changes, it's important to save them, so click on the Save button. Moving on, go back to the online store, and this time we're heading over to the Themes section. Within Themes, locate your present theme. It should be highlighted as your current usage. On this editable theme, click on the Customize button. This feature allows you the liberty to customize your page exactly how you want it. In these customization options, we want to focus on a specific one. Hence, locate the drop-down tab for Home Page, and from there, select the Password option, which allows setting up the Coming Soon page. At this stage, you get to apply your creative touch. Use the given sections to add your unique content to your Coming Soon page. Fiddle around, experiment a bit until the page reflects your vision. Lastly, save your work by clicking the Save option. And voila! There you have it. You now know how to create a Coming Soon page on Shopify. Invite your customers to this page using the password you set, and start building the buzz for your new store.